do me that way? Reaching out across the night, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she looks so much. She likes the way I stare. And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? I like it this way. I like it this way.
While you focus in on the Michael Jackson performance, it's easy to overlook what may be the most amazing thing about him, his audience. You will never find a broader-based crowd at any concert, all ages, all races. If there is a real Rainbow Coalition anywhere, it's here.
Because all different types of people
Gets
go.
people up on their feet dancing. He is great.
And his Chicago appearance lived up to all expectations.
Reaching out across the night, city hot again to reach. Reaching out, I touch your shoulder. I'm dreaming on the street. And they say, why? Everybody sing. Why? Does he do me that way? And they say, why? Does he do me that way? And they say, why? Does he do me that way? And they say, why? Does he do me that way?